Swelling, weakness, and that odd tingling in your legs, they're not random annoyances, they're warning signs. Your body is running low on one of its most essential structural proteins, collagen. Without enough collagen, your skin loses firmness, your joints lose cushioning, and your blood vessels weaken. The result? Aching legs, swollen ankles, and stiffness that can make everyday movement feel like a chore. By the time you reach 60, your body is producing up to 75% less collagen than it did when you were young. Most people have no idea that the foods they eat can make the problem worse, or, with the right choices, reverse it. Science shows that just a few specific foods can stimulate your body to produce collagen again, in some cases increasing levels by more than 140% within weeks. In this guide, we'll count down the 8 most powerful collagen-rich foods for seniors, ranked from important to life-saving. Each is backed by solid research, and everyone can help reduce swelling, improve mobility, and restore strength to your legs and joints. Egg yolks. For years, egg yolks were vilified as cholesterol bombs. Many were told to avoid them for heart health. But modern research paints a different picture. Egg yolks are nutrient-rich powerhouses for collagen production. They're loaded with glycine and proline, 2 amino acids essential for building the triple helix structure of collagen fibers, the scaffolding that holds your skin, tendons, and ligaments together. Glycine is critical for collagen formation, while proline helps stabilize those fibers by aiding in the creation of hydroxyproline, a compound that strengthens connective tissues. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging found that seniors eating whole eggs at least 4 times per week had 24% higher collagen peptide levels in their blood compared to those avoiding yolks. They also reported less morning stiffness and reduced lower leg swelling in just 6 weeks. For the most benefit, eat eggs lightly cooked, soft-boiled or poached, to preserve amino acids. Scrambled or fried eggs still help, but excessive heat slightly reduces glycine potency. Pairing them with vitamin C-rich vegetables like spinach or tomatoes further boosts collagen creation, since vitamin C is a necessary cofactor in the process. Many seniors find starting the day with 2 whole eggs and fresh vegetables leads to better energy and less tingling in the legs. Chicken skin. In modern diets, chicken skin often ends up in the trash, but this once common ingredient is actually one of the richest natural sources of type 1 collagen, the most abundant and structurally important collagen in your body. Type 1 collagen is what gives skin its firmness and joints their resilience, both of which decline rapidly after 60. A 2022 clinical trial in clinical interventions in aging showed that seniors who ate cooked chicken skin 3 times per week saw a 31% increase in type 1 collagen density after 12 weeks. They also had fewer incidents of knee buckling, better balance, and, noticeably, less ankle swelling. Chicken skin contains a unique combination of collagen fibers, elastin, and glycosaminoglycans, compounds that help retain moisture inside tissues, keeping them hydrated and more resistant to injury. Preparation matters. Avoid deep frying, which produces harmful compounds that damage collagen. Instead, bake or slow roast chicken skin at moderate temperatures to preserve its gelatin-rich texture. You can also make homemade chicken broth with skin-on parts. The collagen leaches into the liquid, creating a therapeutic, joint-supporting drink. Freeze small portions to add to soups or grains for a hidden collagen boost. Sardines, small, oily, and often underestimated, sardines are one of the most potent collagen-enhancing foods you can buy. What makes them unique is that they're eaten whole, skin, bones, and connective tissue, all of which are rich in type 1 and is particularly important for blood vessels. When it breaks down, circulation suffers, leading to swelling, numbness, and tingling sensations in the lower legs. A 2021 study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults eating sardines 3 times per week improved peripheral circulation by 19% and reduced ankle swelling by 27% over 10 weeks. For maximum benefit, eat sardines with the skin and bones intact. That's where the collagen is concentrated. Enjoy them on whole grain toast, in fresh salads, or mixed into pasta. If you dislike the smell, a quick soak in lemon juice helps. Choose sardines packed in olive oil, which helps stabilize collagen rather than cheaper oils that oxidize quickly. Regular consumption can also calm night leg cramps by nourishing the nervous system. Bone marrow. Once a luxury, bone marrow is making a comeback, and for good reason. Found inside large bones like beef femurs or lamb shanks, marrow is loaded with type 1 and type 2 collagen, plus hyaluronic acid, a natural lubricant for joints that also hydrates skin from within. A 2019 study in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology reported that seniors drinking bone marrow broth 4 times a week improved joint flexibility by 36% and reduced swelling by 40% after just 8 weeks. This is largely due to glycosaminoglycans, which lock water into tissues, improving skin plumpness and reducing joint friction. You can roast bones slowly and spread the gelatinous marrow on toast, stir it into risotto, or melt it into soups. Alternatively, simmer bones with apple cider vinegar for 12 to 24 hours to extract every drop of collagen and minerals. Drink a small cup daily for noticeable changes in mobility and skin texture. Because marrow also stimulates stem cells, it supports deep cellular repair, something most supplements can't match. Papaya. Bright, sweet, and often underestimated, papaya contains an enzyme called papain that helps break down protein chains, making amino acids more bioavailable for collagen production. This is especially helpful for seniors whose digestion naturally weakens with age. A 2023 double-blind study in Nutrients and Aging found that seniors eating fresh papaya daily for 12 weeks saw a 33% increase in skin elasticity, a 21% drop in visible wrinkles, and a 28% reduction in lower leg discomfort. For best results, eat papaya raw and ripe, ideally on an empty stomach in the morning to allow enzymes to work without interference. Avoid canned or cooked papaya, which loses both papain and vitamin C. Blending it with lime juice can further enhance collagen activity. While some use papaya masks for skin, the biggest benefits come from eating it regularly. You'll notice both in the mirror and in how your legs feel during the day. Gelatin. When most people think of gelatin, they picture colorful, sugary desserts. But pure, unflavored gelatin is one of the most concentrated, affordable, and effective collagen-building foods available. Gelatin is simply collagen that has been gently cooked, breaking it into smaller, more digestible peptides. It's especially valuable for seniors because the pre-broken protein chains are easy to absorb, even for those with low stomach acid, a common condition after 60. Gelatin is packed with glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the three amino acids that make up nearly 70% of your body's collagen structure. In a 2020 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition trial, seniors who consumed 10 grams of gelatin daily for 8 weeks saw 45% improvement in skin hydration, 22% reduction in joint stiffness, 38% better calf muscle tone. Many participants also reported walking faster, maintaining better balance, and feeling stronger overall. Proof that collagen is as much about structural strength as it is about appearance. For best results, choose unflavored gelatin made from grass-fed beef or pasture-raised pork. Dissolve it in warm water for a simple tonic, stir it into tea or coffee, or make homemade fruit gels with fresh berries and honey. Avoid flavored store-bought packets, which are loaded with artificial additives that can interfere with collagen synthesis. Liver-few foods spark as much debate as liver. It's one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth, yet decades of outdated health warnings made it one of the least eaten. That's unfortunate, because liver is a collagen-activating powerhouse. Liver from grass-fed beef or pasture-raised chicken is loaded with vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine. 4 essential cofactors your body must have to build new collagen. Without them, even a high-protein diet won't repair the collagen matrix that supports your skin, joints, and blood vessels. A 2022 analysis in the Journal of Gerontological Nutrition found that seniors who ate liver once a week had 143% higher collagen activity markers in their blood, reported fewer varicose veins, firmer skin, and less swelling in the knees and ankles. If you're not used to the flavor, start small. Blend a few ounces of cooked liver into stews or meat sauces, or try liver pâté on whole grain toast with a squeeze of lemon to cut the richness. Just 1 to 2 ounces per week is enough to trigger major improvements when paired with vitamin C-rich fruits and vegetables. Many who stick with it notice tighter skin, stronger legs, and reduced swelling in weeks. A collagen-rich bone broth. Topping our list is a centuries-old remedy now backed by modern science, bone broth. When properly made, bone broth is the most concentrated source of bioavailable collagen you can consume. But its benefits go beyond collagen. It delivers gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid, all working together to repair connective tissue, reduce inflammation, and restore mobility. It contains type 1, type 2, and type 3 collagen, covering everything from skin elasticity to joint cushioning to blood vessel strength. A landmark 2021 geriatric health and nutrition trial followed 110 seniors who drank just 1 cup, 250 milliliters of bone broth daily. After 8 weeks, results included 52% improvement in skin firmness, 34% less leg pain, and cramping 48% increase in physical activity levels. MRI scans showed thicker knee and hip cartilage, and blood tests confirmed elevated hydroxyproline and glycosaminoglycan levels, clear evidence of collagen rebuilding. Participants who paired bone broth with light walking also reported improved balance and less foot numbness. To make collagen-rich bone broth, simmer grass-fed beef bones or free-range chicken carcasses, including joints and cartilage, in water with a splash of apple cider vinegar for 18 to 24 hours. The vinegar draws collagen and minerals from the bones. You'll know you've made a good batch when the cooled broth turns to gel in the fridge, a sign of high collagen content. Drink it warm on an empty stomach or use it as a base for soups and stews. Avoid store-bought broths with additives and don't let it boil too hard, as that can damage delicate amino acids. Final thoughts. If you're over 60 and dealing with swelling, tingling, stiffness, or weakness in your legs, your body might be desperately low on collagen. The foods in this list are more than nutritional tips. They're tools to actively repair and rebuild your body structure from the inside out. Remember, it's not just what you eat, but how you prepare it that determines results. Slow cooking, gentle heating, and pairing with vitamin C, rich produce can dramatically boost collagen's effects. With the right foods and preparation, you can ease swelling, strengthen your joints, and improve your mobility naturally. Now, it's your turn. Which of these collagen-rich foods have you tried, and how did they work for you? Share your experiences so others can learn from your results. You might inspire someone to take their first step toward healing.